Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a free website for a bookkeeper using Olit Website Builder. As you can see, I've already logged into my Olit account and the template I'm going to use is Olit Fusion V2. So I'll just click on edit and we can visit the site to see how it looks like before we edit. So this is how it looks like. So I'll show you how to change the font color. I'll also show you how to add simple text and also how to add links. And basically that's it. As you can see, it's quite simple to edit Olit. You use Olit Website Builder to edit your site. So we'll definitely start off by changing this header. So instead of design agency, we'll say something as simple as the freelance bookkeeper. And for this text, I had added some previous text to it, so we'll just change the color so that it can be more visible. You click on the paragraph and then come to typography and come to color. So we'll choose a darker color and click OK. So once you're done with that, we can come to services. I added some previous text to it. As you can see, I've listed my services as data entry, financial report, tax returns, bookkeeping software, track debits, and complete payrolls. So that's basically what I'm offering. So in the next section, it's an about. I'll just add about us, and a small description is I am a talented bookkeeper with over 3 years experience. I have worked with many companies. So just give something as simple as that. The next thing we'll come to is awesome features. So instead of awesome features, I write something as simple as why work with me. So I'm giving them a reason to why I'm encouraging them to work with me, because I'm goal oriented, I'm experienced, I have affordable prices, I use modern tools, I can multitask, and I'm always available. So after that, we'll come to testimonials. So we just write something as simple as reliable. For Albert, we something as simple as always on time. And finally, for Anaya, we'll say something as simple as good work. Finally, we can come to the contact us. Let me just rectify this. Yeah, we can leave it at that. You can see the maps is there and the form is also there. We can come to this bit, the paragraph bit. I am a talented bookkeeper. As you can see, you can add your email, your phone number, and finally your address. So for the social media links, as you know, you just click on the link, come to settings, and here you just add your Facebook, that is if you have your Facebook account, facebook.com/bookkeeper, and you can set to target the window or you target a new window. We do the same for Twitter. Settings, instead of Facebook, I'm going to put Twitter, and my target will be a new window because I don't want my users to leave the website. Again, Instagram will do the same. Again, these are just dummy links. They don't work because those accounts are not real. So again, finally we come to LinkedIn. But if you have Upwork or whichever platform you use, you can add it as well. And finally we will say LinkedIn. out and the target is new window. So finally we can come out to the footer. So this is supposed to be 2021, and for this is a link, so just click on it, and instead of it, if you can just say, if you have a link tree, you can say the freelance bookkeeper.com. if you have something like that, then you see something like the freelance bookkeeper, then you say okay. As you can see, it has changed the whole text. So as you can see, it's quite easy to create a site using OLED. So you can check the tablet view. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's compatible. And the mobile view, yes, it's quite simple. So we can refresh this page and see if the changes are going to reflect. So as you can see, it has changed the text column. It has also changed the text. And for the links, as you can see, there's Facebook, there's the Twitter link I added, Instagram link and LinkedIn. And yes, here is the link I added for the freelancebookkeeper.com, which is just a dummy link. So we can go back to home and change the title of our site. So we'll go back to our website dashboard, click on more actions and go to SEO. And here we'll just see something, the freelance bookkeeper, and click save, and you can say something as simple as dedicated bookkeeper. And we save as well. So if you refresh this site, or rather if you visit it, so go back to all websites and then visit. As you can see, it has reflected the freelance bookkeeper, and everything is okay. So if you have your own domain, you can just click on more actions and you connect your existing domain, or you can purchase one from OLED. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video will be helpful to you. Go to OLED, create your own site. You'll get a free SSL. As you can see, the website has free SSL. Connection is secure, and finally you also get free web hosting with the free plan. So thanks for watching, and make sure to keep it safe. Bye.